Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Angry Birds level 60. This level is a classic challenge, demanding both precision and a clear strategy. We'll break down each shot, focusing on how to maximize destruction with every bird. Our goal is to achieve a 3-star score by efficiently taking down the pigs and their sturdy structures. Get ready to master the slingshot and send those birds flying with expert aim. Your first shot with the red bird is critical for setting up the entire level. Aim for the small wooden block located on the left side of the central structure, just above the TNT crate. Launch the bird at approximately a 30-degree angle, ensuring it hits the wood directly. The goal is to detonate the TNT, causing significant damage to the lower part of the main tower and clearing out several pigs in one powerful explosion. This opens up the level for your next moves. Next, deploy your yellow bird. Aim it towards any remaining wooden planks or structures that are still standing, particularly those supporting the upper sections. Activate its speed boost just before impact to maximize penetration and collapse more of the tower. For your third bird, the blue birds are perfect for clearing out any stubborn glass or ice blocks. Split them strategically to hit multiple targets, focusing on the top right pig and any fragile materials that remain, bringing down the last few sections. To achieve a 3-star score, remember to destroy as much of the structure as possible, not just the pigs. Every block and piece of debris contributes to your final score. Don't be afraid to restart the level if your initial shots aren't perfect. Practice makes perfect in Angry Birds. Experiment with slight variations in your launch angle and power. With these strategies, you'll consistently clear level 60, earning those coveted 3 stars, and proving your mastery of the slingshot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.